Welcome, today I am with Garena Free Fire Max and I will show you how you can change your character. So as you can see, currently I'm with this one, and to change you have to go right here for the character and we can pick Nulla, Premise. You can also get many other, but in my case they are just disabled, so I cannot set it up. We can also find here Cristiano Ronaldo, as you can see. So yeah, that's cool. And when you take a look here, they will be unlocked when we are level up. So yeah, we have to play the game, reach new levels, and after that we'll be able to get more characters. But if you want to change, take a look. You have to just press and then just go back, and the change is here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.